Good morning.
More people are ready.
More people.
They're coming.
Oh, they're coming, yeah.
Hi, good morning. Can I take a snap with you?
Yes, of course, yeah.
लो
Do you want to stay here?
मौका मिलना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Little bit
Taking the cheese. Taking the cheese.
Yeah, saying cheese.
Sell cheese.
Yeah.
Coming?
अभी हमको पूरा explanation देगी कि चीज़ कैसे बनता
5
है.
minutes and then we can taste.
Okay.
One day to make the cheese and explaining only 5 minutes. Cheese farm. This is the owner, Henry Willett. He makes all the cheeses. He has 200 cows, but he buys milk also from other farmers to make that into cheese. And he has 2 farms for making cheese, but this farm is only for demonstrating.
These are famous. Brand we do not know. What is the name of the brand?
Gouda.
Holda.
Holder. Yeah, okay.
Or maybe you know the Eden. Adam?
Okay.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So they are the most eaten cheeses. Gouda is one recipe to make in the container.
Yeah.
And then we use a cheese culture for developing the taste and fat. Only 10% of the milk we can use for making cheese.
Yeah.
So this is what is going to be the cheese.
Yeah.
That takes 1 hour and a half till it's compact. Then all the water is taken out. The water has a lot of minerals. In Holland is young cheese, mild and creamy from taste. Medium, very nice aged too. A little bit stronger, it's about half a year. If they're speaking about old cheese, it's 1 year and more.
Yeah.
The old cheese has a sharp, dry taste. Only when the cheese is young, it's creamy. When the cheese is getting older, the cheese gets also smaller because the moisture goes out. This cheese from 2 kilos has lost 300 grams in weight in 1 year. So if you keep your cheese too long, you might only have half the cheese left. Because we believe that 3 thin slices of cheese on the bread, that the taste is better as with 1 thick piece. And you do longer with the cheese, it's more economical, the thin pieces.
देखो कैसे लगा चीज़?
सारे अलग अलग टेस्ट है।